I love to grill. So I came up with this recipe for carrot-cardamom chicken burgers after tasting my friend's chicken basil burgers. I thought it would be fun to add an Indian twist. And boy was I right. Start with finely shredded carrots. I'm specifying finely shredded because we need the carrots to cook through so they don't end up crunchy bits in your burger. Season with salt, mash that all together. The salt will draw out the moisture of the carrot and keep our burgers moist. Add chopped fresh basil. Methi, an herb used heavily in Indian food. Coriander, cardamom, and a little bit of mayonnaise. This is going to help bring everything together while adding moisture. Once that's ready, add to your ground chicken. You don't want to use ground chicken breast. You need the dark meat to add moisture. I'm talking a lot about moisture. That's because chicken can easily dry out, and nobody wants a dry burger. Divide into 4 equal pieces, form into balls, roll into unseasoned breadcrumb, and flatten into burgers. Make sure the grill is hot, 450 to 500 degrees, and scrape clean. Cook the burgers 3 to 4 minutes on each side or until they loosen easily. You're looking for an internal temp of 165. This can be a lot of fun. One of my friends enjoys hers plain. No bun, no sauce, just fork, knife, eats it like a steak. Or if you're low carbing it, wrap it in some lettuce. Myself, I enjoy it on a bun with some aioli and cilantro. That's really good. Try this at your next barbecue to rave reviews.